Well, I'm annoyed that my alarm failed to wake me up for the test. So...
Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test. Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
So yeah, but basically my alarm failed to wake me up, so KK woke me up instead, so I could only get WAHC's relay and now 96.1 KISS. So yeah guys, pretty short compilation for this month, and hopefully next month will be better. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.